Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. This is Maggie Osama from Online Learning School, and this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create a twirl transition in After Effects. So first thing, I'll create a new composition by hitting Ctrl or Command N on keyboard. Then I'll import my video clips to my project panel here. Now I'll drag and drop them down on my timeline here. And I'll hit S on keyboard to get the scale control and scale them down to 50%. Now I'll drag my time indicator here to 5 seconds where I want the transition to take place. Then I'll select this video clip on the top and hit open bracket on keyboard to move its endpoint to the time indicator. Now I'll select the other clip at the bottom here and hit Ctrl or Command Shift Z on keyboard to split it, or go to Edit in the menu bar and select Split Layer so that I can delete the rest of it. Now I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called Twirl. Drag and drop it on both of my video clips here. Now I'll select the clip at the bottom, then go to the Effect Settings panel. I'm going to animate the angle field here. So I'll set it to -100, then click on the stopwatch beside it. Now I'll go 5 frames backward by pressing Page Up 5 times, then set the angle value to 0. Now I'll drag the time indicator back again to 5 seconds, select the clip on the top here, then in the Effect Settings panel, set the angle value to 100, then click on the stopwatch beside it, then go 5 frames forward by pressing Page Down 5 times on keyboard, then set the angle value to 0. Now I'll select both layers, then hit U on keyboard to get all the keyframes. Great! Now I'll add an adjustment layer, so right-click here, New, and select Adjustment Layer. And now I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called Optics Compensation. I'll drag and drop it on the adjustment layer. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to animate the field of view control here. Yet if I change the value, you would see that we get these edges, which is not what you want. So in order not to get these edges, I'll check on this reverse lens distortion field here. And now I'll drag my time indicator to 5 seconds, set the field of view to 110, then click on the stopwatch beside it. Then I'll go to the left here at this keyframe, set the field of view value to 0, then I'll go to 5 seconds and 10 frames, then set the field of view value to 0 as well. One more thing I'll apply here, I'll go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for an effect called CC Force Motion Blur. Drag and drop it on the adjustment layer, and this is going to create a nice motion blur. Great! So now we are done. Let's click on the RAM preview and see what we have. Perfect! Now we know how to create this nice twirl transition effect in After Effects. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. If you like it, then I do appreciate if you could subscribe and share. Also, let me know your feedback by leaving your comment below. Thank you so much for watching and looking forward to seeing you in more upcoming tutorials.